Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to TradingView. Let's say you fancy of Apple stocks right here. Just click on it. Now click on this link, okay? Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you're gonna want to click on full chart. Click on full chart. Now in here, just close any pop-up. Now go ahead and scroll down. Okay, and this is a trading panel. If you can't see the trading panel, you will have a arrow key right here or somewhere in here in the left panel. Okay, just basically open the trading panel. Then click on show all brokers. In here, just go ahead and scroll down and find Bitget. Right here, as you can see, just click on it. Now it needs an API and passphrase. So all you'll do is you want to set this up manually under Bitget. Okay, just go ahead over to bitget.com. Now go to the top right, hover your mouse onto your profile. Now click on API keys. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, just hit on agree in here. And then once done, click on create API key. And here you can go ahead and choose a system generated API key or user generated API keys. Now in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and use a system generated. Right here, add in a note. This could be a TradingView to Bitget. Okay. Now add in your passphrase. It says here, the passphrase is required to modify the API. Make sure to keep your passphrase safe. If you use your passphrase, you will have to create a new API. So basically add in 8 to 32 alphanumeric characters in here. And then once done, under permissions, keep it to read and write. Permission type, select all, or if you want to, you can go ahead and read through this and disable some options like loans or sub-accounts or even taxation, okay? And once that's done, once you have your passphrase ready, just hit on next right here and you will be given an API key and also your passphrase, okay? Once you have all that information, go back to the paper trading right here. Under API key, enter the given API key and passphrase, and once done, just hit on connect. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.